name is Elizabeth Nefton. I'm exhausted. I've had this cold for 3 months, Mom, and it's not going away. I need to go to the hospital tonight. If I don't go to the hospital, I'll feel like something bad is going to happen. I'm gonna start getting my stuff together and dedicated because I just don't feel good at all. What? I need to take a cab? What? You won't be taking me to the hospital? I can't afford a cab. So you're gonna make me go alone? What's wrong with you? Don't you see that I am sick? It has nothing to do with a test tomorrow. You must be going mad. I'm gonna pass that stupid test! Well, it has nothing to do with the test, Mom. I'm so sick. Don't you see? Don't you care at all? I'm so tired of this cold and I feel like an infection has spread to my lungs or something, and no one cares and no one gives a damn, and I've been going to school every day sick like this. I'm not doing anymore. I'm gonna get better first, and everyone just have to deal with it. If I have to take a cab, I will. I don't care. You can stay here, but I'm leaving.